Hello, our next topic is discount. What is discount? Let me write discount. It's a very simple topic and we all know about what is discount. Suppose a price of a shirt. Suppose price of a shirt is equal to rupees 1500. Okay, and after discount you have to pay how much? You are paying means you have to pay rupees 1200. Means the price of the shirt is printed there. Suppose it's marked price. Okay, let me write here marked price. It is printed there. In the level is printed 1500. Okay, and after discount you pay to the shopkeeper how much? 1200. So it will be a selling price. I will at selling price. Okay, so what will be the discount? How much amount you have saved? So discount will be equal to how much? The mark price we will write now. Mark price minus selling price. So it will be 1500 minus 1200. How much you are saving? You are saving 300 rupees. So you have to pay less. And you are saving 300 rupees. That is what? A discount amount. Now if you ask what is the percentage of discount? So see, this is the percentage of discount. Discount percentage will be the amount you saved, that is 300 rupees. The actual price of the shirt, that is mark price, will be how much? Let me write mark price. Remember that you will write mark price here. So I will write here how much? 1500. Simply into 100 percentage. Double zero cancel out. 15 and 20. Okay, so it will be 20%. It's very simple discount. So you have the idea now. So see, the price of the shirt was 1500. This was mark price. And after discount, you have to pay how much? 1200. That is what's known as what selling price. So how much money you have saved? See, mark price minus selling price, that is what discount. You are saving 300 rupees. And if somebody asks you what is the percentage of discount, so you know the money you save, that is 300 rupees, means the difference between the mark price and the selling price you will write here by the mark price, actual price of the shirt into 100%. You are getting 20%. So we can say that the shopkeeper gave you 20% discount on this particular shirt. I hope you have understood. Okay, our next topic is what? In your book you will get sale tax, value added tax, or good and service tax, whatever tax government are imposing on particular item. In tax you have to pay the amount. In discount you are saving the amount. Suppose a company is manufacturing a particular item, and on that item the government is paying tax on that one to do the market on the to do some business in the market. So for that we will find the percentage of tax and we will add the money in that particular value. Okay, suppose example, suppose the price of an item, okay, price of an item, any item is rupees, suppose 1000, okay, make it clear, 1000, okay, and you have to pay tax, suppose VAT, or whatever tax it is mentioned in your book, suppose 10%, you have to pay 10% tax. So what will be the amount? 10% tax will be, suppose how much? 1000 into 10 by 100 percentage. Okay, how much? Sorry, 10% tax will be 100 rupees. This much amount you have to pay. So you will add this thing. So now the total price of the item, including tax, equal to how much? 1000 plus 100. So how much you are paying? Rupees 1100. So in this case we are adding. In case of discount we used to subtract. in case of all the taxes, whatever taxes government imposing on particular item, what the amount we are adding. So 10% of this amount will be your how much, 100 rupees, and then 100 rupees will add this amount, and this will be the final amount which we have to pay or whatever. So 1100. So I hope you understood this topic. Now come to the next topic of this chapter.